Okay, here's one of those rare moments in time when all the stars are in perfect alignment, and I was able to actually film myself doing some work. This never usually gets to happen for two main reasons. One, either I just don't have the time. Usually when I'm doing stuff, it's only a few minutes at a time. Like usually it'll be like late in the evening after the kids have gone to sleep, and I've already finished whatever chores I need to do that evening, and yet somehow still have enough energy to go and do a little work. Or it's, in this case here, for example, it's like the weekend, and the kids aren't home, and I'm able to do whatever I want. Or the other reason is I'm very methodical doing stuff. I like to take some time to ponder or think about what I'm doing, and that can be pretty time consuming. I've come to the realization lately that this project is a lot like this is my version of meditation, actually. So yeah, I'm in no real rush to get anything done. So yeah, so it could be a bit of a hassle, setting up the camera for a few minutes of work, and tearing it down, and setting up again. And I mean, it's one thing, I have to set up tools and parts and stuff to do a task, but then I have to set up the camera and worry about filming yourself too. It's just an added hassle I just don't need. So yeah, so it obviously rarely happens. So, but yeah, this was like I said, this is a rare lucky moment. I had a Sunday to myself, and I had a task ahead of me that was pretty straightforward. I knew it wouldn't be too big a deal. So yeah, I set up the camera and recorded, and I bumped up the time compression here in spots to hopefully make it a little more interesting than watching paint dry. So enjoy. Okay, I'm back to recording from the laundry room. Took a little break from the Airbox to get the electroplating process underway to mixed results. Got the swing arm bolt plating right now, so gonna try to get this airbox finished off while that's going. So what happened off camera is fixed up this hole here. There's a little plastic welding there. I used a zip tie as filler material, mostly because it was flexible yet hard, and it was black. So I was told this probably was not the best material to use because it's vinyl, I guess, and this presumably is plastic. I mean, to me, they both feel the same. Very similar anyways, but I mean, what do I know? I'm obviously no plastics expert. Anyways, obviously I filled it in. Seems to look okay. It's sturdy. It's pretty firm. Seems to be doing the job. I think it just got a hold on the side number plate, so I don't think it has to be like, perfect. So anyways, there's that done. So yeah, if I get to try out my new rivet gun slash riv nut gun. I don't know if you can call it a gun, tool, whatever it is. So yeah, so back to time lapse. See how this goes. Yeah, I also want to mention that these are aluminum rivets with aluminum backing plates. You don't want any more rusting on this thing. And I elected to not do any sanding on this thing. You can see it's scratched up pretty good. It's pretty thin in a lot of spots. I mean, it's pretty thin to begin with. It's real thin plastic. As you can see, real thin flexible plastic here. Some spots, see a lot of chafing. I mean, the vibration causes a lot of chafing here. So there's some spots that are worn down to like paper thin, actually, like on the inside, right along here, down here. It's pretty thin in spots. So yeah. So anyways, like I said, I elected to not sand and polish this down, because the only parts that'll be visible will be covered in stickers anyways. So I thought it was best to just leave it as intact as possible. And yeah, I'll spray something on this boot here to kind of soften it up a little bit. It's just fairly soft now, but yeah, again, I just want to extend the longevity of this thing. These are pretty hard to come by, so I don't want to be messing with it too much. Just fixing that and clean it up, basically. Got a lot of the dirt and grease out. I mean, not all of it, unfortunately, but the vast majority of it. That's pretty clean. Just scratched up. So yeah, I'll maybe I'll throw a little bit of black paint on these over these rivets. Even though these two for sure will be covered under a sticker, decal rather. And this one will be behind the exhaust, but yeah, this one will be exposed slightly. So yeah, so I'll throw some black paint on all six, just for the case of that one, I guess. My own peace of mind. Anyways, I'll pick that up in a bit.